welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Wadi Hub. Wadi Hub's a giant adventure centre located in Hatta, just outside Dubai, about an hour and a half drive. You've got loads of different activities today. Today we're going to be doing some water sliding, horse riding and some axe throwing. And we're also going to go and check out the Hatta sign, which is a very famous icon that Hatta's very proud of. It's like the LA sign, located up in the mountains. You can even bring your own bike, park up and head into the mountains. All the trails are free. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Make sure and smash that subscribe button. Let's get into it. When you're on the way up to the sign, or even any hikes around this area, there's loads of different signs or rocks as you go along, I guess. There's all different types of difficulty levels for the trails, and they're all pretty well signposted. Just make sure to download the map on the website. Well, they've got a map at the reception you can take a photo of. To get to the Hatta sign, it's about an hour walk from the main entrance, which is way over there. The walk's pretty steep. Once you get up a little bit further, you get to see the back of the sign. So welcome to Hatta sign. Not bad at all. We're the first ones here, but there's people coming. So the Hatta sign is located at the highest peak of Hatta mountain region. It's 60 meters in length, which is pretty big considering the Hollywood sign is 106 meters long. It also lights up at night, which is beautiful and can be seen from the town below. So beautiful up here, guys. Unbelievable. So we arrived early morning, which I would recommend because it gets hot. Make sure to bring water and food as it is quite a long trek. Oh, shit. So that's us down from the sign. Now we're walking back to base camp, where we can do a variety of different activities. Coffee shops, food stalls. We're booked to do this giant water slide. Apparently it's pretty scary. We've got a variety of different levels that you can slide down from, and and at the bottom it's got a lip where it'll just kind of shoot you in the air into this plunge pool. So wish me luck, guys. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Oh, he goes in perfectly. Whoa! Oh, my fucking boss! The nut crippler! Good bad idea. We're about to go down the biggest one. Oh no! The back. Okay, so your body, the power goes on your body back. Okay. Yeah! Oh my god, that was amazing. I think I did some sort of half flip in the air and landed on my head. So we're going down the boogie board now. It's boogie time!
But you have to push the board away, don't land.
How'd you do that?
Push the board sideways.
Okay.
Okay, brother, time to go. Tell the kids I love them.
Well, that's us done. Absolutely amazing. You get like an hour for 90 dirhams, which is great. and you can bring your camera, sticker on the helmet. Unreal. 1, 2, there's like 11 slides to choose from, so there's all different difficulties or braveness. Whatever you want to choose, but it's actually not that bad. It's more scarier in the head than it is actually going down. None of us got injured, so happy days. If you're wanting to test your throwing skills, check out the axe throwing.
Don't miss my help.
For the biggest.
It's available for anyone over the age of 16. It's 50 dirhams for 15 minutes.
1, 2, and 3, go!
The axe that they use is 680 grams, which is pretty hefty. Anyone over the age of 16 can participate. Just be careful if you're getting some video near the target, as I nearly lost my camera. This was really fun because we got to actually have a little competition together with your friends, and the staff were great. And then we headed over to the archery centre. Great for beginners, so don't hesitate to try it out. 50 dirhams per adult and 35 dirhams for kids. And to finish the day off, we went horse riding through the mountains. We used Hatta horses, which is actually located right next to the car park. 100 dirhams for 1 hour or 150 dirhams for an hour and a half. Come on! Oh. Little bathroom break. That's it, pal. Get it out. You done? Okay. Let's go.
No day war. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones, and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it.
The horses looked well fed and healthy. The staff were great, and they took us all through the mountain region at the back. You can see the donkeys up there. Donkey. And looked round and took us to this lovely lake, which we didn't know about. We spent the entire day at Wadi Hub. So much to offer. Just make sure to bring some water and food and a change of clothes. Also make sure and check out Hatta Fort, which is located just 5 minutes round the corner, with a few nice restaurants and a bar with a nice terrace. Just make sure if you're wanting to stay there, book well in advance. If you made it to the end, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, support the channel and subscribe so I can make more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.
Bad ones, and they ready. A good time, so now it's